Good everyone, my name is Ova Boniface Omojopo, the lead consultant at the Diaspora Recruitment Network Academy, also known as the DRN Academy. I want to share with you some of the things we have put together to help you, our client friends, and to be able to achieve your corporate goals as individuals and organizations in the year 2025. We have put together certification, specialization, and tailored MBA program to help you, whether you are an existing entrepreneur, you're someone transiting from your conventional working uh, experience to the entrepreneurship landscape. We want to help you navigate the complexities that comes with developing your own enterprise, or should I say starting and scaling up an enterprise. We believe that the programs we have developed, certification, specialization, and MBA program, will help you achieve these goals. These are professional training programs. These are not academic training programs. They are being taught by experienced and entrepreneurs, professionals, people that have spent an average of 20 years doing this with results. And they are globally placed. So you're going to have perspective from different continents, people helping you to shape that business idea, to bring it from just a passion into becoming a profitable business portfolio. I truly want to encourage you to take advantage of any of our programs, whether they're certification program, specialization program, or a tailored MBA. We have a unique MBA program being put in place known as the TIE, which is Transition Entrepreneurship and Alternative Income. It's actually designed for people that are thinking of transitioning into the entrepreneurship landscape. I'll tell you, this is one MBA program you want to be part of, the Transition Entrepreneurship and Alternative Income. You can attend this MBA even if you are in a conventional working environment. You're a civil servant, a public servant, or you're in a paid job, but you're looking forward to starting your own enterprise someday. You can be part of this MBA. That is why it's called the Transition Entrepreneurship and Alternative Income MBA program. I want to encourage every one of you to take advantage of it. The good news is that we have scholarship for this program. You can get between 50 to 100% scholarship depending on your situation. We are offering scholarship. We're going to interview you if you're in need of scholarship. We're going to interview you, find if you're one of those that truly qualify to receive our scholarship. So we offer between 50 to 100% scholarship for those that we want to be part of this program. And we are not just doing this as the Diaspora Recruitment Network. We're doing it with global institutions that are our partner to ensure that your certification is recognized globally. Today, I want to share with you something that you'll be one of the things you're going to be learning several things. What I've had the privilege of consulting the last, should I say, 20 years and consulting and to successful enterprise, failed enterprise, and my own experience as an entrepreneur. I've come to realize that oftentimes when we step into a new year, people have lovely and interesting business concept they want to deploy. This is my take for you. Before designing that business concept, you've got to understand the most important element of any business, which is the customer. Let your concept development, the concept design, let the customer be at the forefront of the design. Every other thing you will do will be based on this. The customer is the essential element of any business. So whether you're talking about the function of the function of the product or service, the feature, the benefits, it should be customer driven. And that is why you do not begin to talk about a business model where you talk about whether you're talking about the channels, the communication pattern, the marketing strategy, the sales strategy, the business analysis you need to carry out, the market analysis, the process, trying to have a lean management. All this will be based on the customer segment. So I want to encourage you, do you know your customer? Do you know what your customer truly wants? Do you understand the demography and the psychography of the customer base you truly want to reach out to? So I want you to spend time with your team, have this understanding, because any business concept that the customer is not in the center of the design is a failure from the beginning. So I want to encourage, whether you're in product development or you're in product or you're in service, you've got to make sure the customer is a major component of your business development concept. I believe that 2025 is going to be an exciting year. It's because it's going to be a year where people will look at for more solutions. We're talking about so many form of innovation, from product innovation, process innovation, marketing innovation. Innovation is taking place from even ideation, from the idea and the concept development to customer relationship management. You've got to embrace innovation. You've got to embrace technology, and that is why most of the courses will be offering at the DRN Academy will be AI and business digitalization, business technology, and then we'll talk about management and the rest of it. But it's going to be an awesome time at the DRN Academy going forward. So I want to truly encourage you to subscribe to our certification programs, our specialization programs, and our MBA, which is known as the Transition Entrepreneurship and Alternative Income MBA. It is designed for everyone that truly wants to make impact in the year 2025 going forward. It's not a conventional MBA. You're going to learn by doing. You're going to gain experience. You're going to you're going to attain what we call self mastery, because it's going to be a time of experience, exposure, and education. You're going to be learning, getting exposed to new way of doing things, acquiring experience, not necessarily you yourself just drinking from the experiences of so many professionals globally. I truly want to encourage you to be part of what we'll be doing in the year 2025. So this is my free tips for you today. These are some of the C's you need to consider as you go into the business, as you go into developing your business concept for the year 2025. Make sure you put the customer in front. Customer segmentation is important. Know your customer. That the demography and the psychography, which is the buyers, the sentiment, what drives your customer to buy the way they buy, the decisions, what influences their decision. Know your customer is key. And once you know your customer, you need to begin to talk about the channels of communication, the communication pattern. And there are 3 C's that connect to the 4th C of your customer. For you to excel going forward in this digital economy with AI, data analytics, and the rest of it, big data, you've got to know this. You've got to understand these 3 C's. And there are several C's I'll be sharing with you. And I'm the lead consultant, and there are many other consultant professionals all over the world that will be part of this project. But this I want to share with you today. I just feel so strong in my spirit to share this with you. You've got to learn to develop communities. Now you get to let either you're part of a community or you're developing one. Every businesses that have excelled in the last 25 years have been community driven. Facebook, Amazon, and Instagram, they're all community driven. So you've got to create a community or strategically be part of a community. There's no longer an isolated success. You've got to be part of a community. For you to have a smart enterprise, it's got to be community driven. So the first thing you've got to know, how do I become part of a community? How do I strategically become part of a community where I am efficient and effective? And how do I create one? So it's about community. Now, once you develop community, you've got to learn the act of collaboration. And there are people that have what you need, and there are people that need what you have. So you've got to strategically build network. Because community is about network, but you've got to strategically learn how to connect to networks and create viable networks. So collaboration is essential. If there's one thing you want to do before the year 2025, begin to list those persons, institutions that you want to collaborate with. People with the technical skills, there's people with the technical skills, the social capital, people with the financial capital, people that have the right platform, because you can have multiple communities through effective collaboration. And we see that is what companies do. When they see that a particular community is great, they try to buy the community. So it's what you call software purchase, and it's about purchasing the community, the viability of that community. So community collaboration is key. I'm telling you some of the secret of the last 25 years. Businesses that have excelled. They are businesses that have been built on community development. And when we talk about community, it's not just about it's about people, but it's not you just thinking about the local community you see like in the borough, the local government. It's community made up of nationalities, people of like interests or diverse interests, depending on the kind of community you want to create. Either you are creating an inclusive community or you are creating an exclusive community, you've got to make up your mind, because community is key. Now, once you've created community or you have become an integral part of a community, the next thing you want to do is to collaborate effectively. That is where you're going to be learning that as you partake in any of our certification, specialization, MBA program. You're going to be learning strategy for effective collaboration and what to look at for when you want to collaborate. Now, it is when you have efficiently collaborate, you can begin to release commodities. Most people want to go straight to the commodities, not knowing that you've got to build a customer-centered enterprise that is based on community drive, collaboration before commodity. So the market is essential first. You must begin from the market. Not, we do what we call product to market. But you've got to change your strategy going forward to become from market to product. It's always about the people. You've got to change your strategy. I repeat that, from market to product. So it should be from M to P, not P to M. So market to product. You've got to have the customer in focus and develop community where you have those customers. You either inclusive or exclusivity, and then you talk about collaboration, and then you talk about commodities. What commodities will you be selling? So that you will need the collaboration, the strategic relationship to be able to introduce into a community. Now, there's so many things we're going to be sharing. These are outcome of practical experience over the last 25 years of mine, and there's so many other people that have had 20-30 years experiences, and they'll be bringing this to bear in all our training. We don't just want to give you what you theories in the book. We want to give you something you can use to increase profitability, to increase your profit margin, so that you can increase the volumes of sales, the velocity of sales, and the frequency of sales. And so that is what we're trying to do in the year 2025. So we want you to join us in this journey, and you can visit our site, the www.getglobalworkexperience.com. You can send us an email at admin@getglobalworkexperience.com. Tell us if you're a company that you want to partner with us, you want us to come and train your staff, or you want to register your staff for a certification program, a specialization program, or you want your staff to be part of the tailored, which we call the transition entrepreneurship and alternative income, because you can get your staff equipped as entrepreneurs so that they begin to think as entrepreneur. That is what we call entrepreneurship. Though they are part of an organization, but they operate as entrepreneurs. They bring in the principle of entrepreneurship, and to get your business to scale up to the next state. And you're going to be learning from how you begin from solution development, startup management, and standardization, and then scaling up before we talk about sustainability. You're going to be learning the 5S framework, from solution development to startup to standardization to scaling up and to sustainability. All this will intend to train members of your staff, or even members of your senior team, so that 2025 you will be having a set of innovators in your team, and not just people that just come to earn living for just salary's sake. I believe every organization wants to grow, and we are here to help you grow. So feel free to call us on +44758 We want to be your partner in progress. We want to help you excel in 2025. And feel free to call us. I look forward to getting your email at admin@getglobalworkexperience.com, or you can check our website and www.getglobalworkexperience.com, or just give us a call on +44758 Our goal is to help you excel in your business, help you achieve your corporate goal as an individual or a corporation. Look forward to seeing you in most of our programs. My name is Oba Boniface Omozopo. I'm the lead and consultant at the Diaspora Recruitment Network. You have a great day and stay blessed, and Happy New Year once again. Bye for now.